In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email out of Salesforce. This tutorial is perfect for Salesforce users looking to streamline their communication processes directly through the platform. We'll walk through the steps, ensuring you feel confident and connected as you send messages seamlessly from within the system. To get started, you'll first want to open the App Launcher. For those unfamiliar, the App Launcher acts as a hub where you can access a variety of applications and tools within Salesforce. It's often represented by a grid icon commonly found in the upper left corner of your Salesforce interface. Clicking it will provide a drop-down menu with various apps, helping you to quickly locate and navigate to different sections you need. Once the App Launcher is open, navigate to the desired record. This might be a contact, a lead, or an account depending on who you intend to email. You do this by selecting the appropriate item from the App Launcher and drilling down until you locate the specific record. Ensuring you're in the right record is important, as this will be the basis for your communication. Taking a moment here to double check can prevent mix-ups later. When you're within the chosen record, pay attention to the related activities section. You'll be looking for the send email option. Usually this is clearly labelled and it's where you'll start to compose your message. Clicking send email will present a blank email form, thoughtfully designed to capture all the necessary details for your correspondence. Now let's work on composing your email. Enter a subject line that's clear and informative. A good subject line grabs attention and provides a succinct summary of your email's content. A straightforward approach here can enhance your message's effectiveness. Afterward, proceed to write your email within the provided compose window. This is your chance to craft a message that communicates your intent clearly. Whether you're providing an update, requesting information, or sharing important news, be sure to align your tone with the context of the relationship and your communication goals. Additionally, don't forget to include any relevant attachments. These could be documents, images, or any file necessary to support your email's content and clarity. Next, it's time to select your recipients. Typically, this will be the contact or lead associated directly with the record you're currently in. Salesforce should automatically suggest this individual, but it's always wise to double check. If needed, you can add more recipients manually by typing in their names or email addresses. The system will usually autofill based on existing records, speeding up the process for you. Finally, with everything in place, you're ready for the last step. Simply click send to dispatch your email. A confirmation that the email has been sent may appear, giving you peace of mind that your message is on its way. And that's it, you've successfully sent an email out of Salesforce. With consistent use, this process will become second nature, greatly enhancing your workflow and communication efficiency within Salesforce. Keep practicing, and before long you'll be a pro at integrating this task into your day-to-day operations.